Namaste everyone. Thank you very much for joining me in the video. In this one, I'm going to show you the news application that has been developed on Angular, and this is how it looks like. It's not the home page basically, it's the business news page. Now how the home page looks, let me just show you that. So you need to click on news reader, which will redirect you to the home page. So it looks like this, and you can see the top headlines over here. Similarly, if you want to check the technical or technology related news, you can click here on Tech News, and it will redirect you to a page where you can see all the technology related news. Now, if you want to check out the whole story, right, so you can click here on Read More, and it will open for you a new tab where you can read the whole news related to the topic you want to know about. Right, so this is the application. Now if suppose you want to check out the information of let's say US, right, so what you can do, you can come on the code, and here you have to just make some simple change. Let me show you that, give me a moment. I think I have defined the links over here. So basically the API concept has been used here for pulling the information from an external open source web portal named News API. I'm going to show you that too. So here what you can do, you can just change IN to let's say US, right? Because we want to check the news of US. So that is why you need to make we need to make these changes over here, and here also we can change it to US, and then we can save the changes. And if I will now refresh the application, automatically I will get to see the US information, right? US news. Fine. So earlier we were seeing the India news, and now it's the US news which is visible to us. Let's come on business news. So as you can see, it's also from US, right? So this is the kind of application you can easily develop using Angular. And let me tell you, Angular is extremely user friendly. If you haven't started learning it, please you can start learning it. It's very easy. It's going to give you a very good knowledge of how front end development can be done in an easy way, right? I think it's more it's going to give you many advantages, and it is better than React. I have used React also, and I have used uh, Angular also. But if you compare these two technologies, I think Angular is very user friendly. Angular is better than React, right? So that user friendly thing makes it stand out. Okay, now how you can download the application on your device and test it. So let me just help you with that. So this is the Git repo, the link of which I'm going to share with you guys in the description section of the video. So you can simply click the link, and it will redirect you to this repo over here, and then you can download the source code, right? Once you are done with downloading the source code, you have to open it like this in your VS Code. Okay, and here you can see here the API key is also present in the code. So I haven't removed it. You will get the API key also, but if you want to suppose use your own API key, or you want to customize the application as per your requirements, so what you can do, you can create your account on this platform News API. Once you are done with that, you can click here on documentation, and here you can come on top headlines, and you will find the links over here which I have used in the application for pulling the information on the front end. As you can see here, the names of the code words that you can use for pulling the information of various countries are present here. So if suppose you want to check out the information of New Zealand, right? So you can just change it to NZ, and it's going to give you the output accordingly. Then yeah, let me do it. Okay, so you can see here now the New Zealand's news is getting reflected. So this is the kind of application, and this is how the application works. In case you come across any issues while setting up the application, or you want to know more about these kind of applications, you want to learn to develop these kind of applications, that you can then you can take my course. Right now I am providing number of courses to the students. There are courses related to AI, machine learning, deep learning, mobile application development, and number of other things. So you can take any of these courses, and then definitely you will be able to learn coding. You will gain a lot of things in the coding classes, and you're not going to regret definitely. So this is it from my side. Hope you guys enjoyed this lecture a lot.